A summer morning blueberry picking and a batch of homemade old-fashioned blueberry cobbler is on the way. I'm Lanie Smith, and this is The Vintage Cook. Okay, first let's make the filling. The fresh blueberries are tossed with flour, sugar, fresh squeezed lemon juice, and pure vanilla extract. You want to mix them up gently, but make sure not to break the berries. And then put them in the casserole dish and set aside. Now, let's make the topping. Again, more flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, and this is my favorite pastry cutter. Look at this vintage tool. It has even a little space to put your thumb. So put the cold butter that's all diced up into the bowl and mix it with the flour. And then use the pastry cutter to make it nice and crumbly. And if you don't have one, that's fine. A fork works just as well. Add the half and half and give it a little stir. Now let's put it together. So you want to drop the dough by the spoonfuls and then press the little mounds down a little bit and spread them out. You want to leave some blueberries showing through so it can bubble up. And then sprinkle on the turbinado sugar for that extra sparkle and crunch. Serve warm, right out of the oven, with a nice scoop of vanilla ice cream. You don't want to miss out on my next recipe, so hit the subscribe button and follow along.